Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do C+ type conversions. So let's say I declare a variable each x equals 5. To do a type conversion, you first list the data type. Let's display standard output. Outcast a double. You first add a set of parentheses. Now, if you run this program, we will get 5. But if you change maybe x equals 69 and you cast it into a chart, well, the number 69 converted to a character is E. It's the letter E. Well, let's try 52. It's the number 2. If you try 100, we will get D, the small lowercase letter D. And let's cast maybe x as a Boolean value. If you run this program, x is 100 right now is 1. But if you change it to 101, it is also 1. Because 101 is bigger than 1. So if you set it to maybe like even number that is bigger than 1 is still 1. But if you set it to 0, well, it is 0. Just like this. And there's also one last conversion, standard string. You cast x as a standard string. But you see that here's a problem. Couldn't convert from basic string to an int. So the problem here is going to be solved. So you can only say tar, but you can not say like standard string. So you can say double x equals 60, and if you cast it 60.99, and if you cast it as an int, well, you will get 60. That decimal portion is truncated. And yeah, everybody, that's basically a type conversion. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure by smashing that like button, leave a red comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!